Nevada. I just got in here today. So I wanted to talk to you guys basically just a couple things. One, I'm here for not business, I'm here for a spiritual retreat. So I want to talk to you guys basically the importance of your spirituality. I mean, for me, like my life motto is three things, all right? It's God, family, hustle. All right, those are my top three things that I'm always chasing after, which is God, right? Spending time with my family and hustle. So, me being at this spiritual retreat, why spirituality is important to me is because it's basically my compass, right? It's basically my moral compass of where I'm going in life. So, for example, like you could be making $1 million, but if it doesn't align with my moral compass, if it doesn't align with my vision or it doesn't align of what God wants from me, basically I'm not going to work with you. It's just, you know what I mean? It's not that you're a bad guy. It's just that we're not aligned to work together. So, what I look at is, and why spirituality is so important to me is I have to see what God wants me to do. You get me? Like I have a billion of ideas, or I have all these things, how to make money. I know all these things, but if it's not what God wants me to do, it's very hard for me to follow that path. You guys get what I'm saying? So whatever you guys believe in, I believe in God, but you always got to have a compass. You always got to have some certain values, certain beliefs that you got to be like, okay, this is not my belief. All right. This is not my compass. This is not where I want to go. I am not aligned with this. You have to have that, because if not, you're going to be doing business with the wrong people. You're going to get into many, many problems. You're going to be doing a lot of stuff that doesn't align with your life. And when you're doing that, you're basically dying inside little by little. So I encourage you guys to strengthen your spirituality, right? So you can see exactly where you want to take your life to the next level. So I use my spirituality, I use God, I use prayer to basically ask myself and ask God, where do you want me to go? So I'm here for this retreat. I'll do another video tomorrow, and that's it. Peace.